You will discover the immense significance of supplier quality audit and how it can benefit your manufacturing line in this video. I will be covering a range of topics such as the definitions and the types of supplier quality audits as well as their purpose and scope. By understanding these key elements, you will gain valuable insights into crucial role that supplier quality audits play in ensuring top quality parts from your suppliers. Join me in this video to discover the secrets of supplier quality audits and enhance your expertise in the world of supplier quality management. An audit is actually a planned, independent, documented on-site assessment to determine whether suppliers are able to perform upon agreed requirements. The reason why we perform audit is because maybe it has not been done before for new supplier sites or technology or even new manufacturing line. Sometimes a company has a policy of have another look for surveillance audit or regular audits, and it's necessary maybe at times that supplier is having too many excursions. It will be wise to re-audit the whole line again. And then usually the audit is performed as when there's new suppliers, new products, new manufacturing line, and also the audit outputs should be the gaps identified from the audits itself for the suppliers to improve and meet your requirements. Let's understand a little bit more of quality audit. Audits can be classified by who does the audit. There are three parties that could conduct an audit. First is known as first party internal audit, second party customers audit of a supplier, which is our point of interest, and the third party audit, which is done by certification body. And what is to be audited, which focus on manufacturing process, is actually more of quality process audit, means that we shall see whether the manufacturing process of a supplier is set up to comply with the requirement of your organization or industry's standard, such as printed circuit board assembly are supposed to comply to some of the IPC standards, and quality systems, which is based on your industry's quality standards, which could be ISO 9000, and product audit to assess whether the product parameters complies to a drawing, and this normally is the engineering's focus. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. We will zoom in into supplier quality audits, which normally consist of two types of audit. One is quality system audit, which is related to the quality management systems, and second is quality process audits. We will have more details in the next few slides. Other quality audits that can be performed are process capability audits, which assess specific capability of process inputs such as the machine, whether they are capable to produce certain types of parts with certain requirements. Sports audits, which focus on areas which could potentially cause a lot of problems, and other gaps assessments, which includes SWOT analysis, or known as strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat analysis, and also maybe some kind of a risk assessment that can be done as well. In these slides, we shall have the focus on quality system and quality process audit. Quality system audit is actually a broad view of quality management of suppliers, corporate, or the site level. It is to assure that all the parts of quality management system are in place and functioning together as a system. And it should be done during the early stage of supplier qualifications or selections, and it should be repeated at the minimum every 2 years. The person that conduct the audit should be SQE, supplier quality engineers or managers that plans and conduct the audit. Any other organizations, experts, maybe a person that is expert in the manufacturing process of that particular commodities, and sometimes it could also be together with the procurement team. Normally, there will be a checklist developed with many questions, maybe about 200 questions, and it will take about 2 to 3 days on site audits. In quality process audit, is more manufacturing process focused and product specific in the audit. It is to a specific product family or product technology. It will assure that the identified line or the identified areas can build the specific products as per the customers or your company's requirement. Then it should be done either during supply selection when there's new product, new facilities or new capacity, new line, any major changes in the process. And normally, as a rule of thumb, it should be at least once per year. And it should be done by organizations, SQE, and also the process expert. The audit tools can be varies by commodities. There could be a checklist developed with for different types of commodities, such as mechanical commodities or printed circuit board assembly. Usually, it has quite a lot of questions with very details in each and every process. What are the areas to control? And it takes about 3 to 5 days on site. And normally, sometimes it's break down into a partial audits, which is done routinely 1 or 2 days each time. That means it's split into different visits, and each time there will be 1 or 2 areas that will be audited accordingly. Attention, supplier quality and quality engineers. Are you looking to advance your skills in supplier quality auditing? Enroll now in my course on effective supplier quality audits at Udemy. You will learn my proven 4 steps approach to conducting supplier quality audits and identifying gaps in the manufacturing process. With over 20 years of experience auditing more than hundreds of manufacturers globally, I will teach you the secret techniques for achieving consistently high quality products. With 5 valuable resources included, such as the quality system and process audit checklist, you will be prepared for any job interview and on your way to becoming an expert supplier quality auditors. Don't wait. Enroll now and take the shortcut to achieving your quality goals. Let's understand a little bit more on quality audit purpose, where it's supposed to take an in-depth and independent look at suppliers' abilities as compared to the agreed upon standards or requirement. Quality audits can cover the 3 areas such as conformance, means that how well an organization or supplier's organization in meeting the requirement of an agreed upon standards such as ISO, and is more like an ISO style audit. In performance, we will need to check that does the supplier has the capability to produce the required results by validating the process output. And finally, in improvement, we should look at the supplier's improvement program. Is it effective and functioning well to continuously improve the process? Companies also should establish audit checklists as a tools to be used in an audit. I hope you have gained valuable insights into supplier quality audits, which needs to be conducted effectively to achieve consistently good quality products. If you have any further questions or comment, please leave them below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up
and share it with others who want to enhance their skills and shape their future. If you are ready to take your quality auditing skills to the next level, enroll in my expert course on Udemy. You will gain access to a complete quality audit checklist with detailed explanations and secret techniques in supplier quality auditing skills. I look forward to seeing you in the course.